is mod 3 for the shoulder stand. If you've had any kind of damage to your shoulders or your neck does not feel good, you are not doing this posture. Practice safely. If there's any compression to your neck, come out of the posture. So come to lie on your back, reaching those legs up towards the ceiling, hands down by the hips, palms face up to the ceiling. Hug the belly in and start to lift the hips up off the floor. From here, if everything says okay in your shoulders and your neck, you start to bring the heels of your hands to your mid-spine as you reach those legs up towards the ceiling. So you have one line from your shoulders, your hips, your knees, and your ankles. Breathing here, making sure the belly stays pulled in, back of the neck is long. To come out, you're gonna break at the hips first, coming out with a lot of awareness, bringing the legs behind the head. From here, place your hands back down onto the floor, and with your core, start to place the vertebra one at a time onto the floor beneath you. Bend the knees, place the soles of the feet onto the floor. Take a breath. Big inhale and exhale.